This video will be about editing your food snaps using the Food Cate preset that I'll teach you to create here. In light settings, set contrast to 20, highlights to -46, shadows to 40, whites 22, and blacks to -20. In light settings, set vibrance to 35 and saturation to -10. In mix settings, in red, set saturation to -20 and luminance to -10. In orange, set hue to -16 and both saturation and luminance to 10. In yellow, set hue to -20 and saturation to -10. In green, set saturation and luminance to -20. In cyan, set saturation to -70. Same with blue. Now in effect settings, set clarity to 20, dehaze to 35, and vignette to -20. Disable the lens profile corrections. And finally, set the curves in the light settings. And here's the perfect Cate preset is ready. The preset download link is in the description. If you don't know how to edit your photos using these presets, you could refer the video link I have provided in the description. Presets make your work easy and quick.